Today we are reviewing Google Pixel 7 Pro. It is a phone with display of 6.7 inches with LTPO smooth display up to 120 Hz. The camera has a 48 megapixel telephoto along with 15 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide with the front camera of 10.8 megapixel. The camera feature has macro focus, zoom resolution up to 30 times of real tone. Now the real tone is a close match to the skin tone color as possible, especially with those with deeper melanin so that it doesn't appear gray. Google Pixel 7 Pro is also well known for their magic eraser. The magic eraser is simple to use. All you need to do is go into Tools, circle around the image that you would like to remove, and it will automatically suggest and remove the unwanted parts of the image. Google 7 Pixel Pro has memory of 2 GB RAM with the storage option of 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB. The phone does not come with any additional micro SD slot. The battery charging power on this phone is over 24-hour battery with wired and wireless charging. The connectivity technology is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC. This phone comes with SIM tools, quick switch adapter, cell phone itself, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a quick starter guide. This was review for Google 7 Pixel Pro.